guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. And today's video is going to be a really short and a sweet haul, but this video is very special because this video contains the first giveaway of 2019. Yes, you heard me right. Today's video is actually about a bag giveaway. So I would be giving away a bag to one of you from Rosegal. Yeah, from Rosegal, yes. So this video is all about Rosegal and I have just these many things with me. In fact, guys, let me just quickly tell you that everything that I have in this particular bag, except for one thing because I've already won it, is for giveaway. So one of you is going to receive everything that I show in this video except one thing, which by mistake I won it. I'm so sorry, but yes, let's get started. So I have nothing but just a couple of jewelry and a bag to show you guys, and therefore I mentioned it's going to be a really short and a sweet haul. So Rosegal is a website which sells moderately priced items, but sometimes you get really good stuff at good price. So that is why I keep on trying on some new websites so that I can come up with something really nice for you guys. So yes, let's get started. The first thing that I got is are a couple of things. I'm going to show you the first thing which I've already won so that we can get that out of the way. So everything else that I would be showing in this video would be for giveaway. So the first thing that I got is this pendant. I really liked it. I mean, it's a really beautiful silver color pendant with a nice coin-like thing over here. I just loved it because of the writing. First, it has two hearts right over here, and then it says the love between a grandmother and granddaughter is forever, which is very, very true. And it looks really, really pretty. I just like it, you know, on these kind of high neck shirts and stuff. These kind of necklaces look really pretty, so I already did wear it, so I'm not going to give this one away. But apart from that, I have a couple of more jewelry which I want to show you guys. The next one is this, and obviously I'm not going to try these on. So these are beautiful earrings. These are golden in color and I really loved them when I saw it, and these were not very expensive as well, guys. So it has some green dangly bits at the bottom, and then it is a very beautiful subtle gold, and it's very, very pretty. Actually, it's very trendy, and at the same time you can just wear it with kurtas and all. So these are very pretty. I love them a lot. So that is the first earring. The second, we have a pendant. So the first one is this one. I loved this one. Again, this is silver, and for some reason I'm liking these kind of bigger, you know, necklaces. So it has a moon inside of it, and then there is this blue thing that is here, is the entire galaxy, and I love the concept of this one. This is really, really pretty. A little bit bold, but yes, these kind of pendants look really nice with anything that you wear, mainly the western wear. So yeah, that is the next thing. And then the third thing that I have right over here is a gold pendant, golden in color, obviously not gold. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. Again, this has a beautiful heart right over here and a really nice studded moon. The moon is so pretty because it has these Jokin diamond studdings right over here. It's really, really pretty. This is definitely one of my most favorite pieces. So obviously, because these are artificial jewelry, these are not going to last for a really long time. But if you want to increase the longevity of your artificial jewelry, just after wearing them, dry it well, make sure it is moisture free, and then store them in the packaging of a plastic packaging or anything so that it is covered and it doesn't come directly in contact with the air. Otherwise then it just gets black very quickly. So yeah, that's how I actually store my jewelry, artificial jewelry. So yeah, that was the last piece of jewelry. Now moving on, I really hope I'm not missing anything out. The last piece of this haul, which is a very short haul, is this bag, guys. So I have already seen it. It came in a packaging like this, and the packaging says Zaful. So apparently I feel like Rosegal also sells Zaful, and the quality of Zaful products is really good. So the bag comes in a what do you call it, packaging like this. It has a tag right over here, which for some reason is out. I don't know why. I definitely love the packaging of Rosegal. Now it comes in its own dust bag, which I really like. And this is what the bag actually looks like. It's a beautiful bag. I love the color of this one. Basically, it's such a wearable, beautiful color. And this bag, guys, is so good quality. It has these kind of studdings over here and stuff. Then it has a chain right over here. And it's not a very big bag, but it is very spacious. I'm pretty sure that the quality of this one can actually transcend on the camera because this one really is good quality. Now as I open it, this zip right over here is just a show thing. It doesn't work, but I love the look of it actually. Now it opens up like this, and then it has a zipper compartment here. So you just open it and you have space pockets right over here. There's a zipper compartment inside of it as well, and then it's quite, I mean, it's good to carry for a nice evening. It is a really nice bag, and then the strap looks like this. It's a very beautiful bag. I love the look of this one. It looks really nice and classy, and it's very beautiful. You can also shorten the strap like this and wear it as a shoulder bag, and if you don't want to wear it as a shoulder bag, you can wear it as a crossbody bag or as a sling bag. So it looks really pretty. I love this bag, and the minute I saw it, I just decided that this is going to go to one of my subscribers. So all the details about the giveaway will be in the description box. The prices will be mentioned on the screen for you guys. The prices of all of these I don't remember, because apparently Rosegal takes a little longer to deliver the products, approximately 3 to 4 weeks, and in that span, obviously I just tend to forget the price of it, so everything will be mentioned. So that was it in this video of mine. For the giveaway thing, I would be giving away this bag along with these 2 necklaces that I showed to you guys, and this earring. So this will go to one lucky winner. One of my lucky subscribers is going to get that. So as you guys are already aware about the rules of my giveaways, it's very simple. All that you have to do is just be subscribed to my channel, be a part of this beautiful lovely family, hit that bell button, like this video, and yes, comment anything in the comment section below along with your email address. So that's it in this video of mine, guys. Make sure that you participate in this giveaway. This is the first giveaway on my channel in 2019, so I'm very excited about it. And yes, there are many more giveaways coming up really soon, so I'm going to leave all the links of the products that I've shown in this particular haul in the description box below, along with the website of Rosegal. You should definitely check that out, and I will also mention the rules of the giveaway and everything else in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. So I'll be announcing the giveaway result on 15th of January at 6:30 p.m. in the description box below. I'll announce the name of the winners in my community tab, and I will also pin the winner's name in the comment section below for you on 15th of January at 6:30 p.m. Would that be okay? Great. So that was it in this video of mine, guys. I'll see you in my next one very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. I love you very much. Happy January. Keep smiling, and yes, take care of yourself, and I love you so much. Bye, guys. Mwah.